This is the floral arrangement that I'm gonna show you today how to prepare. It's totally different the things that I used to do. Okay, I hope you like. Let me start on it. Hi everyone. I has been absent because I was really busy working for different events. And the last event that inspired me to do this design today was for the bow show in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Um, I usually work with many flowers for one centerpiece because of the weddings and social events. But in these cases, I have to use just a few flowers because those arrangements gonna go to inside the boat. So in some point, the boats are so small that I cannot use too many flowers as I used to have for the wedding centerpieces. So that is gonna be a challenge for me because I always have the feeling that the more is better. But in these cases, I have to allow the lines of the flowers expressed by himself. So that I'm gonna start to do it right now. Let me show you the materials. I will have my scissors, my white cutter that I never learned how to pronounce. I never remember even. My knife, kitchen knife, green wire. This is 22 gauge. I already have cut here the pieces that I need. I have these wonderful anthuriums, green anthuriums. One is pink and green, and the other one is totally green. Also, I have this piece of light coral Hypericum, and I picked this one because it's matched with the colors of the pink or light coral anthurium. I got one yellow mini calla. Mostly are tropical flowers. Blue eryngium. It's beautiful. I picked these flowers because the name of the boat is like ocean. So I made all the designs related to the deep ocean. I was watching several pictures that I found on the internet, and I tried to pick flowers that is gonna help me to represent the coral and the the sea. So if you put all this together, it's gonna give you some kind of feeling that is like a deep on the ocean. Well, that's the way that I feel. Also, I have this bamboo that I don't remember the name of this bamboo. This is very flexible bamboo, monkey tail, but I'll let you know later. And I have this fantastic moss. I guess that I bought this when I was a child. Well, it's not like that, but at least 8 years ago. And that's moment the price for this bag. This is reindeer moss dyed in green color, 2 ounces, $3.99 per bag. And still is in excellent conditions. The first thing that I have to do is put the oasis here. I already have my oasis. What I want to do, I want to cover the bottom, but I need this go up. Okay, let me try it this way. Not so high. I want they be at the same level. Oh, I didn't I didn't show you the base. This is like a Ikebana base. It's very modern with clean lines, and it doesn't accept too many flowers on it. So let's see how this is gonna be. I have to cut and reshape the oasis until I can put in here. Be sure that this is not gonna fall, and still we're gonna have some small spaces for water, even if these flowers really don't need too much water. Okay, look at this. You know what is this happen here? Because I pushed the oasis to get them dry faster, and I got bubbles, dry bubbles inside. I want to use the bamboo to make the loops that you saw on the design. So that's why I need a wire. These are empty. It's not empty. It's like a what? You have to put the wire. Try to head to take the wire straight. Once you get a knot, you have to push a little bit hard, and the wire will be getting into the bamboo. Okay, this is it. And the extreme, I'm gonna just bend it a little bit and leave it in that way. This is not, let me see this one. Also, before you cut the wire, you have to be sure until how long do you need it. Okay, I don't put the wire until the extreme of the bamboo, because I want to use the top of the bamboo in different way. Okay, let's do it again. Hard, easy, easy, hard, easy, easy, hard, easy, easy, hard, easy, easy, hard, and that's it. You have all the wire inside. Okay, I want to make like a bow or something like that, but it's gonna happen what is gonna happen. I don't want to put in the middle. I want to put in the right angle, right top angle, because I have the feeling that I can work better with the lines of the flowers. Now I'm gonna fold it. I have to make the get the oasis, and I have it. I can leave the extreme of the bamboo in that way, or I will see later how this is gonna work. Where is this? Is my other bamboo? Yes, I'm gonna do the same, just closer, and this is, I'm gonna bend it or fold it taller. Maybe I have to do it for the one, it's too late. I have to reach, maybe I did too tall. Okay, it has to reach the oasis again. Okay, if you want to do that, you want to do that? Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's not what I wanted, but I have to accept. Now I'm going to use the main flowers. You see, I want to keep maybe this way. Yes. So what I will do is, she's watching facing this side, I will try to put the other in the opposite side to see what's going on. Also, I have cut previously some of the same bamboo to put it here as a backdrop. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the blue eryngium. I guess it's too tall. see if you can do some here. Okay, I don't know what happened with the camera. It's just made beep beep. Stop recording. So what I did, I put one blue area here. I'm not sure I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna start working with the brain of the wedding brain. So maybe when I see the result, I can remove what I don't like it. Okay, now I will use the moss. If you want it, you can remove the excess of water. You see anything is gonna happen, and start to covering the oasis. Okay, when you finish to put this, you can have a high risk that this is gonna blow. It's gonna fly, not blow. It's gonna fly. So what I do is this. I'll be back. Okay, I got these U-pins. Oh, can you see the traffic behind the window? I'm sorry, I can handle. Okay, this is the U-pins that you have to be working with. I don't know if maybe, let me see if I put it here, it's easier to see it or no. No, okay. Here, no, okay. It's a pin with shape of U that is gonna help you to keep and hold the moss in place. And then it's gonna be really easy to hide the pin because the moss is like a mushy. I want to be even. Perfect. And now I have to clean. This is it. Let me see if I can pull down the okay. I removed the best that I could. I removed everything that I have in my bag, so I can show you. Here is. I guess that is too dark. Let me put it here. Well, it's not easy for me. Usually I do other kind of stuff, but I like to keep trying different things. Or I really like the lines and the mix of the colors. Well, tell me, what do you think about it? If you don't like, it's okay. I will survive. Just teach me something else, and I will move forward with these kind of ideas. Okay, thanks so much. Thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. If you like it, share the video. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.